Hello, everyone. Welcome to a guest internet presentation. Today, I'm going to tell you about code generation. Many people have asked about this, and so we're going to go through the process of generating a code. First, let's log into the admin section of our guest internet controller, aplogin.com/admin, and then we'll see the admin page. Now, in order to generate codes, we go to the Manage Code page in the management options. And then we see that we've got the code type, the number of codes, the expiry time, the number of users, and then we've got more options here, set limits and set start. So let's go through these one by one. The code type can be random, custom, description, or MAC address. If we're going to generate a lot of codes to give to users to access the internet, then we're going to select random. Now, the number of codes, we decide how many we want to generate. We have 1 to 9 or custom. Let's generate 100 codes. Expiry time, 30 minutes. We can choose how long we want for the duration of the code, from 30 minutes up to unlimited. So let's choose a code that will be valid for 1 day. Okay, so we'll select that. The number of users means how many people can use this code concurrently at the same time. And so the default is 1. In this case, we only want one person to use the code at once. Now, we go over to the right-hand side and we're going to select download speed and upload speed. We have to select a speed that allows us to share the internet service. If we have, for example, a Starlink antenna with 150 megabit data speed, and we want to connect 75 people, then we can only allow a maximum download speed of 2 megabits per person. So we'll select that. The upload speed is a lot slower, of course. So let's select 1/10 of that, 256 kilobits. We can also set a download data limit and an upload data limit. We can decide if we want the code to be able to be used immediately, or else we want to set a start date for the code. So that's an optional setting. Once we've gone through this process, we click on Create Codes, and we see that we've generated all the codes that we requested. Okay, now we can download these codes as a comma-separated value file, and we can print that using a spreadsheet or give that to a company that prints scratch-off cards. Or we can print the codes. So if we click on Print Codes, this is going to generate the vouchers that we can then send to the printer. Okay, the vouchers are printed 16 per page, and we can print up to 10,000 vouchers at one time if we want. So this is taking a little bit of time to generate the codes on this computer. And you can see we've gone to a print page, and we have the options of printing to a PDF or printing to a printer that we have attached. And the format is letter size. So this shows the codes that we want to print. So you can see on each voucher is a unique code, which gives that person who has the code a 1-day access to the internet. So we just go ahead and print that. Okay. So if you want to go ahead and use the guest internet code for printing, that's the basic procedure you have to follow. And we're here to help you. If you have any questions, you can send a message to us and we'll be delighted to help you with that process. So thank you for watching and see you next time.